Just a second. Hello, this is a second video tutorial on subtitles. I'm going to talk about a couple of things which are in a way connected to subtitle making in general. This video will cover Subtitle Workshop, subtitle communities and subtitles in YouTube. First things first, there is a new version of Subtitle Workshop. It is new as a version, but the release itself is actually relatively old. And unfortunately it is a beta. That means, for those who don't know, that the release is not finished, and I actually connected the developers and they told me that there will be a new version, a new full version, but so far they got nothing. And let me just show you the interface and the features. We have a wider, simpler preview for video in subtitles. There aren't any significant changes, although it's easier to type the timecode because you don't have to click enter every time. It's workable in real time, and the new version has the codecs. And just a note, the version I'm showing and for which I put a download link is a portable one. That means you don't have to install it. You just double click on the icon and start working. Not so long ago I started, as you can guess, working with subtitles a lot, and I discovered a whole universe around that. Firstly, if you want something translated or to find it, you can search a few websites which are like YouTube for sharing, but the cool thing is that everyone can help you work on your project, and that means working on subtitles, of course. Or you can help on someone else's project. The first one is .sub.com. I have been using it for quite long now. Really useful and easy to work website. I work with the Venus project. I have been also working in Linguistic Team International. That is a really nice community for organized transcribing and translating things connected to some really interesting educational materials. A few things about YouTube subtitles. First, I don't know why, but when you download a subtitle from your video, it is in some strange format which cannot be read from Subtitle Workshop. So there is this website that converts the YouTube format to SRT. Second, you cannot download any other subtitles from your videos. So there is a software, again, which is like YouTube Downloader. You put a link in it, but it downloads the subtitle instead of the video. I'm just gonna talk about a few messages and comments I received. As I said before, Subtitle Workshop is a really basic software, and it cannot change the color or position of the subtitles. You cannot save the subtitles embedded in the video. There are a whole bunch of other programs which can do that. If you have a technical non-software problem, I cannot help you because I don't have enough information. If you have questions, suggestions or anything else, I am open to all kinds of feedback. Links to everything I covered are in the description. Thank you for watching, and just if you have any kind of problem with the program, write me a personal message, because it is way easier for me to manage your questions there and not, I repeat, not in the comments. Thanks again, and have a nice life.